This is the Charlotte Pre-Washed Women's Crossbody Hobo Organizer bag. I was sent a review from Karla Hanson, so let's take a closer look and get excited for a new bag. This is the tan color, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a closer look. It's made of a really, really soft, washable leatherette. So nice. We've got 2 zippers on the top, so let's go in the top front compartment first. Oh, look at that lining. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love the red, super soft. A massive compartment in here, 2 little pockets here. Then that next zipper at the top is another compartment. Oh my gosh. This one is also huge, and it has a zippered compartment here on the inside. Boom. Wow. Okay, so already the function here of all the different compartments, I'm mind blown. Then here's the back, another compartment. Boom. It's not as wide as my phone, but you can fit a phone in there. You just gotta pick it up this way. So that's cool, because that'll be on you, so you can have your phone in here nice and safe if you're in a pickpocket zone or something. And then on the front, we've got a full-length pocket here, huge. We've got these smaller ones. Here's one. Boom. Boom. You don't have to worry about the buckle. It's just decorative. It snaps, and then this is a kind of very small one. Not wide enough for my phone in a case. And then these are not wide enough for a phone. So for the phone, you could go in one of the 2 main compartments, or again, like I said, I like that back pocket as an option. Oh my gosh, pockets, pockets, pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zippered pockets and a snap pocket. So 7. And then within those, you've got additional little compartments. This is incredible! And it is nice and lightweight. Adjustable strap. So let's see, how long can we make it? You could do a full boho crossbody bum bag here in the longest length. In the shortest length, it's great for over the shoulder, kind of hits at the waist. And you could still do crossbody, like if you want to be really safe, then it's going to be here, right, tucked under your arm. Your phone is in here, protected. This is great anti-theft bag in that way. Wow, let's fill it up and start using it, because this is amazing. Big water bottle, winter hat, winter gloves, wallet, sunglasses, tissues, keys, chapstick, phone. Boom, ready to go. The bottom, it's self-standing, depending on what you have in there, because there are no feet, but it does have a nice flat bottom. Oh my gosh, y'all, this bag is amazing. It is so cute, soft, a bazillion compartments and zippers. It is really great quality, woo! Comfy to wear. I love it, and I know you will too.